second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and it's you and we go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line.
Alright YouTube, so you have seen building this boombox using this Amazon parcel box, and this box is quite a bit hard. So I built this boombox using this carton box. So you can see that's the left channel, that's the right channel, and there is a partition in between. And you have seen in the making part, so 4 speakers on this side and 4 speakers on this side, and that's the top amplifier. It's also a kind of car amplifier at the top. It's mounted there. This thing doesn't have any Bluetooth. Well, in later on I'm gonna add Bluetooth in that thing, so I don't need to connect this wire to that thing. So that I have built, and if I put the Bluetooth in that thing, then I just can take it anywhere and connect the power supply only and can listen to the songs. So later I'm gonna add the Bluetooth, but for now I'm gonna test using this RCA to 3.5mm cord. Let's see how it performs and how the sound is. So let me turn this on and connect this thing to my mobile phone right here.
Right now, man, active. Start with the game like a bandit. Me bring the flame like a match. Just me know. Put out the slack, this active style and pattern, that's a man there. Active. One live life massive. Talking up on African dish. But slow down with the girl hostage. When I start the bump up like mash pit. When me step out to the place, get active. 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 Active.